Welcome back with me, Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Max Attack OG-SP colorway. So let's check it out. As you guys can see on the first sample, the holes here are smaller on the fake one compared to the authentic. The authentic is a little bit bigger. Another one here, as you guys can see on the stitches here on my pointer, it has a little bit gap. There is a little bit gap between the black stitches and the gray stitches here on the fake one compared to the authentic. There is no gap here. It's really close. Another sample also, as you guys can see on the fake one, the holes here are straight horizontal, whereas on the authentic one is slightly a little bit go down, a little bit sloopy here. And also the gap between Nike shoes and the stitches here, look at my pointer, it's too close, too narrow. Another one, again, there's no gap here between the Nike shoes and the gray stitches here, whereas on the authentic one it has a little bit gap here. Here also the holes here are very straight horizontal, whereas on the authentic one it's a little bit slightly go down here. It's a little bit sloopy, the direction. Take a closer look here. As you guys can see, the stitches on the fake one is looking crooked, it's looking terrible. The stitches here on the marking area is too close, too narrow, whereas on the authentic one you can see it's very good. The gap is on the same size from the beginning to the end. Another sample also, as you guys can see on the authentic one, I put a line on it so you can easily understand. Stitches here is a little bit rounded, whereas on the fake one it's a little bit straight like this. And on the two box here, as you guys can see, is not connect. Stitches here it's not connect, whereas on the authentic one you can see here stitches is connect between the line here. And also this one it's same with another sample, it's too close between the Nike shoes and the stitches here and the gray stitches. Compared to the authentic one here, there's a lot of gap here. Another sample also, you can see here there's no gap between the both stitches here, whereas on the authentic one you can see a lot of gap here. Take a closer look here. The placement of the eyelets here is looking so terrible. It's looking slightly to the left, it's too close with the stitches, whereas on the authentic one is looking centered, it's placed right in the middle of the stitches. And this one also, you can see the gap between two stitches here is looking terrible, it's looking too narrow, whereas on the authentic one is looking very good. Looking from above here on the two box, on the fake one is straight horizontal, the stitches here, whereas on the authentic one is can see it's rounded. Another sample also, as you guys can see on the authentic one, the stitches here is on my pointer is straight horizontal, whereas on the fake one you can see it's messed up, it's crooked, it's a little bit wavy here. Moving to the back of the shoes, or the heel, the back leather on the back is slightly higher than on the authentic one. And also the gap on the stitches here is looking crooked, looking terrible. Take a closer look here, as you guys can see, it's looking messed up. You can see the leather here on the back is looking messed up. Another one here, the gap between two stitches here is looking crooked, looking narrow on the fake one compared to the authentic. Another one, as you guys can see on the authentic one, on my line here is rounded. I think you understand very clear. On the fake one it's looking curved, it's not rounded on the fake one. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question and request, just let me know by leaving in the comment section down below, and feel free to DM me on my Instagram if you have any question or request. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy your day.